So this is a shrub, small tree, really large shrub that we've talked about in the past. And this is Hamamelis, intermedia, and this is Arnold Promise. And you're looking at its claim to fame. One of the first plants to bloom in the spring. Flowers persist probably close to 3 weeks. I want to say 15 to 18 feet tall. Will tolerate some partial shade. Does very well in full sun. No real fruit. It gets a fruit, but it's not really ornamental. So it's a real nice plant when you want to feature some early color in the landscape. It's good in a natural shrub border along tree lines. Again, during the growing season, I've used the word several times, but it's sort of an amorphous large shrub. So it just got green leaves and full colored yellowish, can have some oranges in it as well. Not a lot of insect or disease problems, so from that standpoint, it's a winner. Again, Hamamelis, intermedia, and Arnold's Promise. And there's a bunch of witch hazels out there. Like one of the parent plants of this plant is Hamamelis mollis, and that blooms real early. And it's a real good early bloomer. We got our native Virginiana as well that blooms in the fall. So good plant, good utility plant, natural shrub border plant with very few problems.